News. This is the 1 minute summary of this breaking news. For detailed report, keep watching this report.
This is an urgent and detailed report on the recent, horrific arson attacks targeting the indigenous tribal communities, primarily Buddhists and Hindus, in Khagrachari, Chittagong Hill Tracts, CHT, of Bangladesh. This region is a long-standing hotspot for ethnic conflict, and the latest wave of violence around September 2024-2025 highlights the systematic persecution faced by minority groups. We delve deep into the allegations that Bengali Muslim settlers, often referred to as Islamists by victims, are setting fire to homes, allegedly with the complicity or deliberate inaction of the Bangladeshi army. The violence was recently reignited following a communal clash, which itself was sparked by the death of a Bengali settler. This incident triggered coordinated, retaliatory attacks on the homes and businesses of the peaceful Jumma people, including the Chakma, Mann, and Tripura tribes. The 1997 CHT Peace Accord, meant to restore land rights and bring peace, has failed, leaving the indigenous population vulnerable to land encroachment and terror.
This is the 1 minute summary of this breaking news. For details report, keep watching this report.
During the September 2024 incident, over 100 homes and businesses, primarily belonging to the Jumma people, were set ablaze in areas like Diginala, Sadar and Rangamti. The most damning aspect is the consistent allegation against the Bangladeshi army. Human rights groups like the Rights and Risks Analysis Group, RAG, have repeatedly stated that army personnel either stood by as silent spectators or actively supported the settlers, failing to intervene as the arson took place near military camps. The impact on the lives of the people involved is catastrophic. Families like those of the Chakma and Mann communities have lost their homes, their only source of livelihood, and their sense of security. They are now internally displaced, living in fear in the forests or seeking refuge. The violence not only destroys physical property but shatters the social fabric, pushing the minority communities to the brink of a humanitarian disaster. No significant arrests have been reported from the arson attacks, raising serious concerns about justice and accountability. The lack of action by the local Khagrachari police station and officials ensures the perpetrators feel impunity. This is a battle for survival, not just for property, but for their very existence and cultural identity on their ancestral lands.